Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream from fresh cream. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally straight from the refrigerator. For optimal results, chill your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 15 minutes before you begin. This helps the cream whip up faster and hold its shape better. Gather your powdered sugar and vanilla extract next. Now, pour your very cold heavy cream into the chilled mixing bowl. Begin mixing on a low speed to avoid any splattering, especially if your bowl is full. After about 1 minute or so, gradually increase the mixer speed to medium-high. You'll notice the cream starting to thicken and become airy. Keep an eye on its consistency as it transforms. Once your cream has thickened slightly and started to form soft peaks, it's time to add your powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Powdered sugar is ideal because it dissolves smoothly, ensuring a silky texture without any graininess. Continue whipping the cream on medium-high speed until it reaches medium-firm peaks. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your beautiful cream into a grainy mess. You'll know your whipped cream is perfect when it forms stiff peaks that hold their shape when you lift the whisk. The cream should be wonderfully light, airy, and smooth. For the absolute best taste and texture, serve your freshly made whipped cream immediately. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.